Again, shout out to my boy Gabriel. He got me that here, the Corvette Boulevard. Unfortunately, no Corvette still here in the garage. It is still at Lashway. They did send me some information showing that it's getting broken down. Had a base dyno run. Made exactly the same as what it did up north in Chicago. So we are on our way here to a good track. They were kind of behind here a couple days, no big deal. And they will go on ahead and give me a call as soon as it's done. Hopefully sooner than later. But good things take time, so I'd rather it be right than it be rushed. So, but again, it's coming along. So we got the bikes in the garage. Today is, obviously, as you know, we are getting rid of something that I dread hatefully on this thing. The stock shifters, and shifters, the stock levers. We're gonna go ahead and replace them with the new billet aluminum ones that we got here in the mail today. This is what I'll be replacing them with. Nothing fancy, you know, some anodized aluminum, shorty levers. Nice little touch to the bike, it'll go with the black theme. So we're gonna go ahead and get these things put on and do a quick time lapse, and we'll see you here soon for a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the finished product. Got them looking good. Gonna remove this because it doesn't fit with the shorties, and there we go. Other than that, it looks good. Another mod down, next one to go. So that'll about take care of it. Again, that's going to conclude it for today's video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you here for another episode here on the Speedbook channel. Next mod, deuces. Look at that exhaust changing colors from the heat. Look at that. So gold, like a leprechaun. Little leprechaun.